Hey everyone, for those of us who love workouts but want it to be gentle, here's one little workout for you which you can do right now from home or wherever you are in the office, just to get the body relaxed and moving. We're going to start standing and we're going to feel that we have great posture and we want to grow with our body, and our elbows go up and the energy goes all the way up to our fingers. Then we start to move our body to give it shape, and with our fingers we're pressing down. Transfer weight, grow up, big. Once again, repeat that. One more time, growing up and down. And this time, drawing what I call a rainbow. Imagine that there is a huge arch and just follow that arch. Now we're going to turn, but we want to make sure that we're spotting us, and I'm looking at you and I'm finding you again. Then up, kind of like reaching to you and moving. And I just want to be aware that my profile is being seen by you, the audience. And this is how I move. I just move with my weight on one leg, and that gives you a workout too. We're going to take a little walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And being mindful of our arms to make sure that they're not dropping. The muscles are supporting gently. And we're going to do what I call reveal your face. So simply feel like you're kind of revealing your face as you step. And you're going to be crossing. And now you're going to watch that in the video of our recent workshop at the Esplanade Theatre, and see if you can follow just that one little extract and give yourself a good, gentle, inspiring workout for today.